Good evening, I'm Seth Cameron, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Line 6 G50 wireless guitar system. I'm going to go over what all comes in the system, how to set up a receiver, how to set up our transmitter, and how to apply this to a guitar and amplifier system. First, I'm going to show you what all comes in the system. We have a receiver, a 9-volt power supply, 2 receiving antennas, a transmitter, and finally our transmitter to guitar cable. Now I'll show you how to set up our receiver. The receiver has 2 notches, our cable tone, which makes the sound of the guitar differ on how far you move from the receiver. Second is our channel notch, ranging from 1 to 12. This will correspond with the channel on our transmitter when I show you how to set that up. So we want to take our 2 receiving antennas. There will be a groove to connect it to that will match up the groove on the antenna. We'll match those up and then turn our antenna. Once that's done, we'll fold in our antenna, and we want to make sure that it's facing outward at about a 60-degree angle. We'll do the exact same thing for the other antenna. Once we have both antennas hooked up, we can hook up our power supply. Now we want to set our receiver on a safe place. A good place would be a flat part of an amp. So we'll plug in our 9-volt power supply to the plug-in. And connect the power. You should see a blue power switch go on. Now we're going to set up our transmitter. First, before anything, we want to make sure that we have 2 well-charged AA batteries. Then we can connect our transmitter to guitar cable. There'll be prongs inside the input that will match up to our guitar cable. We can connect those. Then we can turn it on. On our display monitor, it'll show the channel that you're on. Currently it's at channel 6, which corresponds with the channel on our receiver. And it'll also show the estimated time of battery life. These 2 buttons down here control which channel you're using, and the other controls what kind of power you're using, high power or low power, depending on how far you're going to be moving away from your receiver. Right now it's on high power. Now that we have both our receiver and our transmitter set up, we can set up the basic parts of the guitar to amplifier. First, we want to take our guitar cable and plug it into the input. Now we want to make sure that the amp is off until the whole process is done. We want to take the other end of the guitar cable and plug it in to the main out input, or main out output in our receiver. Now we're ready to take our guitar out. Now what we want to do is fasten this clip on our transmitter to either the strap itself of the guitar, or a good place is on your pants. Once it's safe and fastened, we want to take our guitar cable and plug it into our guitar, making sure that the volume on the guitar is up already. Now making sure that both receiver and transmitter are on, we can turn on our guitar amp. Now we can start playing. That's how we use the Line 6 G50 Relay wireless guitar system. Thank you very much.